Hi, this is Mitchell with Brainwire. Today I'd like to show you our 2S battery management system board. BMS boards are strongly recommended when you're creating a lithium-ion battery pack. The reason being, you always want to monitor the current and voltage entering and leaving your battery pack to prevent damage to the batteries or dangerous conditions like thermal runaway. This BMS is specifically designed to fit on the end of an 18650 lithium-ion cell, but it's also compatible with most lithium-ion or lithium polymer battery chemistries. This board is perfect for creating a lithium battery pack with a nominal voltage of 8.4 volts. However, it won't work with other battery chemistries like lithium phosphate, lithium iron, or nickel cadmium. This BMS board offers multiple protection mechanisms, including overvoltage, overcharge protection, and undervoltage and over-discharge protection. It also provides overcurrent protection, preventing devices drawing power from your lithium-ion cells from pulling too much current too quickly. Additionally, it includes short circuit protection, further securing your battery setup. Let's talk about the pinout. The B positive connects to your battery positive. B negative connects to battery negative. BM connects battery 1 to the connection point before battery 2. P positive and P negative are your battery charge and discharge connections. This BMS board has a maximum operating current of 5 amps and a cutoff current of 7 amps. It has an internal resistance of less than 100 milliohms. This board measures 18 millimeters in diameter and approximately 3 millimeters thick. This BMS board has an effective lifespan of more than 30,000 hours, and that makes it an excellent choice for your lithium-ion battery pack.